Hi, in this video I am going to teach you how to make AC layout for a salon. This salon is in Maidan, Dubai, in free zone area. Before to prepare AC layout, you must need to know what is the type of ceiling and the height of the partitions. So regarding this, we have open ceiling above and the partitions are low height. So how it will be? Example, this is partition and this is floor, just an example, and this will be slab. Okay, this is slab, this is our slab. Let me give another color. This is our slab, so we have space between 1 meter from the partition till the slab. Okay, so all partitions are low height. Example, eyelash is low height, pantry is low height, this is also low height. All partitions are low height, only toilet will be the full height. Okay, this will touch to the slab, only toilet. Other all partitions are low height. Okay, to prepare AC layout, let's remove the furniture first. I don't want to keep any furniture here. Okay, remove the dimensions also. This let's keep because this is installed item. The sink, keep it. This remove, no problem. Chair, and here also remove chairs. Remove sink also, no problem. Or you can keep the name pedicure area. Furniture, everything you can remove. And dimensions also. After remove all the drawing, give the color 8 or light gray or gray. Okay, I will keep this color 8 in the background, so our supply and supply duct will look clear. Okay, so I already spoke to client. He want round diffusers. Because this is open ceiling, we don't need to install return diffusers. Okay, only supply we have to install because this is open ceiling. Let's check its dia. So make it 35, 1.3 example. Check. Okay, 0.95. Okay, so just to replace so replace the diffusers first before to draw duct. And our machines, one machine is here in this area, one machine is there in that area, pantry, and one is in the toilet. So we have to place, and for we have here, let's check, 10 multiplied by 5, so we have something 45, so we can install 5-ton machine here. Okay, it's a 50 square meter, so for 60 square meter we install 5-ton machine. So here 5-ton machine I already discussed, and he is agree with this. Make sure when you place the diffusers, it should not be clash to the lights and other services also. So how many diffusers we need? Example here, 8 diffusers is enough. Okay, for 5-ton machine. Mirror, and again mirror, like this. Okay, so we need one machine, 5-ton. So just keep this machine there in the center. Okay, and then the duct will go like this. Then we will have to serve the branches. Okay, so let's make it 1800 CFM FCU 01. 5-ton machine, minimum the size is 110. Okay, this 86 very small. 1.2. Okay, approximately you can make your machine size 110. Okay, otherwise you can get the exact size from catalog also. Okay, so just keep machine like this. Make sure this distance from wall should not be less than 30 cm, but I keep mostly more, but you have to make sure this should not be less than 30 centimeters from all sides. Okay, so let's shift a little bit there. So this is 1800 cfm. Let's go to duct sizer, desktop. Let me off my antivirus. I already off. Open your duct sizer. So CFM we have 1800, and head loss we have a standard head loss 0.05, and then here you can write the height of the duct is 12, so 29 by 12 our duct size. So let's go to calculator. 29 multiplied 2.54, what is the value? 730, so we can say 750. Okay, 750 by 300 our duct size. Make first line example 40 cm. I give 40 cm the mouth length, then our next size is 750, sorry, it should be 750. 750. Okay, you can delete the other one. Just connect like this and from this side like this. Okay, I always use the blue color for ducts, like this. MA match, and you can write the size here. How SAD 750 by 300. So how many CFM we have here? 1800 CFM. Change its color to white, more clear. Scale down like this. Now how many diffusers we have? 1 2 3 4 8 diffusers, and total CFM we have 1800. So let's calculate for one diffuser how many CFM we are going to throw. 1800 divided by 8, 225. Okay, so we must need to know what is the size of duct as per 225 CFM. Okay, let's go. Right here 225. Headless, keep it same, and height you have to reduce, make it example 6. So 300 by 150. Okay, our duct size will be 300 and 150. But for two diffusers, what will be the size? 225, and then we have 400, 450. Okay, as per 450, what will be the duct size? 550, 21 inches mean 550 by 150. So if we click 8 height here, 350 by 200. Okay, so because we have two diffusers here, so we have let's make one branch, and then one branch to this direction, one branch to this direction. So how we can do that? Make it center line here. So our size here 3 350. Sorry, 15. Yeah, 15 in 350, correct. 15 inches equal to 350 mm. Okay, like this. And now for branch size we already calculated as per 2 to 5 cfm. What is the branch size we made? We make it 3, 2 to 5, 6-inch height. Here you can reduce the height, 6-inch, 300 by 150. Okay, 300 by 150. So 150 that direction, 150 that direction. Okay, you can just close like this. F enter, R enter, and 0 enter, like this. And here also same like this. Okay, here we can make the Y elbow. How we can do that? What is the size of this one? 300 divided by 4, so 7.5. F enter, R enter, F enter, R enter, offset 300, and here also same, fillet, offset 300. Close and close. Okay, here you can make this neck branch 15 centimeter, 150. Just make degree line height, and that's it. So this is done. So we can make mirror for the opposite side. Also we can write the duct size same time. Rotate, bring it down. Here we have 450 cfm because we are serving 2 diffusers. So one diffuser 2 to 5 cfm. And then 750 by 300. So here we can make, what was that size here? Sorry, I forgot. As per 450, 8-inch height. Yeah, 350 by 200. So here the size will be 350. 350 by 200. Yes. Okay, 450 cfm, and same like this here. Rotate. Here the size is 300 by 150, and cfm is 2 to 5. 2 to 5. Copy to here, and now we can make mirror. Here actually this is open ceiling. I'm not going to install any VCD. If you want, you can install as per your client requirement, because this is open ceiling, so no problem. If we don't install VCD, not a problem. So make it black, give any name, make it mirror like this. Okay, so we can bring down little like this, and this we can shift it up. This also we can shift it up. These are low height ceilings, so not a problem. We can keep above the wall also. So this is fine, this is fine, yes. So now we need to reduce the duct size. So 1800 total CFM minus, someone called me. Okay, so here we served 450 CFM this side, 450 this side, so each one 2 to 5. Okay, so now we have half. So here we have half, 900 CFM. So as per 900 CFM we have to calculate the duct size. 900, 0.05, that will stay same, and height also we can keep same. So what will be the size now? 16 by 12. 16 mean 400 mm and 12 mean 300. Okay, 400 by 300. Now the duct size will be 400 and 300. Let's make offset 35. The length of the reducer I will make 35. So first size is 400. So width of the duct two-sided reducer, like this. And now let's take this branch. I think we can use the same. Sorry, rotate and then make it middle. Take it up like this. Okay, and then we can take the copy of this branch like this. Okay, just explode this, everything. Okay, now we can make here also Y elbow like this. As per 900. Okay, so here we have 400 and 300. So now here the duct size is 35, so we can make fillet value 90 and 90. F enter, R enter, 90. Here also same 90 and offset 350. Trim like this. That's it. So now we have to write here how many numbers? 8 numbers. SD square diffusers. How many CFM? 2 to 5 CFM each. If you want to write the dia, you can write the dia also, 350 dia. Okay, you can write. For me this is enough. Just copy here and copy there, that's it. So this is called AC layout. Let me make PDF to show you how it will look like. Okay, so this is our AC layout for a salon.